All right, how is everyone this morning? He's good. One guy over here is fine. All right, cool. All right, well, how about a warm welcome for our next speaker, Nicolas Brousse.
No? That's good? Okay. So I will first introduce myself and my company and the environment we work on with all our technology stack, so you have a better understanding of our content and how we try to accomplish our monitoring. Then I will go over our cloud environment and the way we use Nagios for monitoring our servers. So my name is Nicolas Brousse. I previously worked for a couple of industry-leading companies in France. This is why you have this weird accent. It's not the micro. Most of those. Oh, good. I'm now working as a lead operation engineer at Tumogul. I will talk about Tumogul right after that. Globally, I help them to scale their infrastructure. We went, since 2008, we went from 20 servers to over 500 servers. All that on Amazon EC2. We have servers on 4 different regions, and we have some servers on one call center. We are monitoring over 6,000 active service and 1,000 passive checks. We collect over 80,000 Ganglia metrics. Ganglia is really part of our monitoring. We really use it heavily. And we manage over hundreds of terabytes of data with Hadoop, and we do billions of HTTP queries every day. I occasionally contribute to some open source project. I think it's something important when you use open source is that you have to contribute at some point. I don't do anything big, but it's really something that is important to me. Is I have to give back what we take from open source. And yeah, so Tumogul has been created in November 2008 by John Hughes and Brett Wilson during their MBA. It was formerly a video analytics and distribution company. We had like a small tracker in video players like Dailymotion, Brightcove, MetaCafe, Vidler, a bunch of them. And we were providing analytics for all those websites. We acquired a company called Illuminex in October 2008. It was a flash analytics company. And based on that, we just built a new product called Playtime. So Tumogul became a video marketing company built for branding. So we integrate real-time media buying, ad serving, ad and user targeting, optimization, and brand measurement. So maybe it doesn't talk to anyone here. Globally, Tumogul simplifies the delivery of your video ads, and we try to maximize the impact of every dollar spent by brand marketer. When you go on YouTube, you have pre-rolls video. We were one of the first. We were the first one to have videos shown there. So, I mean, we were the first partner to integrate their pre-roll videos. Even if you don't like ads, it's how we make money, actually. So, our environment, it's a little over 10 servers on our color sensor. We have a few VPS on Linode. I will talk a little more about that, why we have servers there. And over 500 instances on Amazon EC2. And with these instances, it's not like 500 of the same profile. It's not like 500 Apache server. That would be really easy to deal with. But we have like over 50 different profile of instances. So we have like mix of EBS volumes, some server with elastic IP, some other with in 64 bits, some other in 34 bits, 32 bits. And so we had to figure out how to manage all that. And it was part of the complexity of manage this infrastructure. Our technology stack is quite basic nowadays, I think. We use Java, PHP, all the Hadoop suite with HDFS, MapReduce, HBase, Hive. We have some Membase cluster. We have some a bunch of Memcache server, MySQL server, and a lot of other technology. All our monitoring is done with Nagios. Nagios. And yeah, we use NSCA as much as we can. It's something really we try to, especially for all the application level monitoring, like if something behaves in a weird way on the application, when the Java developer that did the application knows better what needs to be monitored. So what we do now is using the, I think it's called JNSCA. It's a Java client for NSCA. So all our Java application just use this client and send directly the information, critical OKR warning to our NSCA server. So it offloads a lot of the CPU usage on our monitoring server. And for graphing and trending, we are using Ganglia with a lot of Python plugins. We have still some legacy server using Munin, and I will explain why we stopped using Munin and why we rely a lot on Ganglia now. And for configuration management, yeah, we are using Puppet. We switched to Puppet in last January. Before that, we were managing everything with shell scripting. It was getting really tough. Once you get over like 100 or 200 server, you just start to cry. So Amazon, I don't know if you know about it. The whole picture is like, you have the Amazon EC2 network. You can start server in different regions. What they call region is really geographic region. You have Europe, you have Asia, you have the US East Coast, US West Coast, and inside of this region, you have different availability zones. And you can see each availability zone like a different data center in each region. So we have server in different availability zone in different regions, and we are on 4 regions, on the 4 regions that Amazon provide right now. So we like a lot this environment, because we can quickly start new server. We are in a startup environment. We have to move really fast. It's why we switch from an analytics company to ad serving company so fast. It's because we have the ability to just focus on our product instead of trying to plug servers in our rack. So Amazon is very good for that. And we also like it because we can start server in many regions. We don't need to have teams in Europe, even if I would like to be there, but it's really fast for us to start new cluster. We can use different profile of instance. So we have a broad choice like 64-bit, 32-bit, pretty much any Linux version you want to run, you can run it. A lot of RAM configuration and all that. Same thing for the disk. It's really easy to automate because of the really good EC2 API. You can do everything with it. And it's really easy to plug to a configuration management tool.